Jumapili ngia omwancho muri Ndizi TV na bwo bwansubo mu busingwege na litkuria ondigenderete ko balitoere tukegima na monono genderete kwego kya aso kubwatia emirobere yonsi litkuria lero ekero chire chitarike 25 umutinyo gatano narimo omwaka no wechi Ibere na 2023 na manga genderete gokorekana emense ya Kenya ekero nturoche na umurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto mokonyo yari gadigashawa egatia barai bande kurwa serikali nigo baikiranire asensemo ya Kajiado asomusangirikano bwa masabo yo wakangambya muno jinga kibagenderete gokwanira ali abarengete gokora inse serikali ya Kenya kwanza yokoineke bunango ikirania bara magendero asaba na nchi imeyense ya Kenya wono ne jinga kinge karongo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere erionko manyemuna na kwari nire asenchira ere yobwenge nyorabuna sensemo ya Facebook nabo kugendera gotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube gotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News asomutandao Twitter nabo Twitter @Ndizi TV News hero togendere gusanga nabo igo kwembanyia amanki iretariane Everlyne Osero tokubwatirana nere Joshua Uta kwene kyauna chibichanerio gicha wekeire asenchira ya bene sanga na ncho ikomoerio Gokwari ganto ya chaka senchira ya bene awase abarai au bakora wano murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto babere bagwikirana ase egeti gia Ildimat Stadium imeye county ya Kajiado asenchira ya moyo gosangana bamenye korwa ase county eyo ane na begeni aso musangirikano bwa masabo yo gwakangambya muno na barai abange babere bagwikirana aso mujegoyo awase omo senator we county ya Kericho Aaron Cheruyot aberega kumugania omurai wense kweneke bunango ikirania ramagendro ase abananchi choriyeto yo ebereka otabuna abachumbi babere bago bose bago korense mo yaboyo wete finance bill nigatere buna ichine chinga kiruta bwente ko irali bagerio na wekirania chira chionsi chiria betega kubaliera abananchi anene chiokoreta magendro anena somorobero bwo gachwe chinyomba kweneke abuna abasae babere bakonyora emiremo yera bakonya so kwegendereria asama tukaribosio
fanya ile maneno ambayo umesema juzi. Sisi kama bunge tumekufanyia hivyo, tumemaliza upande yetu, sasa mpira iko pande yako. Rais, sasa wewe pambana na kazi. Pambana na kazi. Sababu sasa hauna chochote ambayo utasema hakuna hii ama hakuna ile. Wabunge wamekupa nguvu na wamekupatia opportunity ya kutumikia hawa wananchi. Hii manyumba ambayo unasikia kina viongozi wengi wanasema pengine hatujui kama itajengwa. Sasa wewe tunataka tuone simiti ikifika hapa, electricians wakipata kazi, vijana wengi hapa Kajiado, sababu umesikia mheshimiwa wa Kitengela akisema hii Kajiado ndio bedroom ya watu wengi wa Nairobi. In fact hii housing ni kuambie rafiki yangu Kanjori, sababu umesema ulikubaliana na finance bill, nyumba ndio uko umeelewa zaidi vizuri. One of the biggest beneficiaries wa housing fund itakuwa hii county yenu ya Kajiado. It will be the largest beneficiary because Nairobi hakuna nafasi ya kujenga. Kwa hivyo many of the things that will have built in Nairobi itakuja hapa. Vijana wako ndio wataandikwa, watakuwa masons, watakuwa electricians, watajenga manyumba, watachomelea madirisha, na watu wakiishi hapa si wanakula, wanajientertain, utajenga mahoteli na nini. So mambo mzuri inakuja katika hii county yetu ya Kajiado.
Togotikana nayo nigo muwaziri bwobo chenu Susan Nakumicha abeirega kweneke abunanigo bagenderete kubeke emirobero yokorwania amakongo na wego bokumwe bagenderete kweneke wa ase ekyombe yokwenda na mariogo nebinto binde byenyegetari kemsa na boigo ekyombe kya NHIF okwana chinga kyo kwegorwa we kanisa yege Catholic ya St John's Sirenda imeye county ya Trans Nzoia. Nakumicha nigo ayeteira yoko baimokeria egetamukiro kwenete balibara beba kubwatiraniwa na mangana yobukurumi nigateremne wizara yobochenu nerengete go cya kwene kyabuna obokoreri obuya senseme yobu abere bokurwewa go cya 790.
Kemsa kulikuwa na wizi chungu nzima. Lakini mimi na kifagio yangu nimeanza kufagia. And I'm sure in the next few months tutakuwa tumemaliza kufagia Kemsa, mambo itakuwa iko sawa. Pili ni kufagia NHIF. Hii NHIF inasaidia watu wengi sana.
Hawa bado iko hapa county hospital kidogo. Maana hapo yote hapo hiyo maduka yote iko pale ni mafamasi. Hata mtu anatoka ni kama amebeba uchafu, kumbe amebeba dawa. Alafu wananchi wanaenda kuhangaika.
Omugavana bwe county ya Kakamega uyoboye igoro munyakerogo bwe keombe gose ensemirete chibesa ai Fernandes Barasa abeire gakogania ensemo yekigancha kenibo ya serikali gosikia mutwe ogosiekwa kwa ensemirete okubwatwa wechibesa ifmis aseka yechi kibere we kachitariki 15 chomutinyo gocha bunenchera yemo yokorwa libaga ase county elio kwerobere wekeranu enchera chibesa echo kirabe chigotumika.
Mimi kama mwenyekiti wa Finance, Planning and Economic Affairs Committee wa Council of Governors, kwanza kabisa ningependa kuhakikishia wana Kakamega ya kwamba serikali kuu ambayo inaongozwa na William Samoei Ruto kupitia kwa National Treasury ndio wameleta pesa kwa all the 47 counties. And what we are asking for through the National Treasury, please extend the closure of IFMIS. Hakuna haja kuletea magawanas pesa leo alafu after 1 week you want us to spend that money before it even reaches the accounts. So we want the National Treasury to extend ile IFMIS until 15th of July. Ili pesa ambazo zinakuja kuanzia wiki ijayo ambazo ni za mwezi wa 6 tuweze kufanikisha maendeleo hapa katika gatuzi letu and all the 47 counties.
Nekera wono murobiri obwo twawechi kanisa ogenderete imense ya Kenya iro kwenekia buna abaraibe dini tibari gosiria abananchi nigo bona abaraibe dini yege Islamu babere bawe sokia nako yikeria ekamati ya choretwe ase ogokora butkyo boiga askeri batebire buna ekamati yo nigo eta choretwe ase nchira ebwenerete okwanase omusigiti ojumya ime mu Mombasa nigo abaraya bo bedini yege Islamu korengana na batere buna ekamati yo nige retenseme yemo eyuera irere ogotaikirani wa kwa muroberio yobuna ebwenerete nigo boigo batebire buna abaraya bo bakoralia enjiri yoborimo ase abananchi nigo bwenete ko imokeriwa egetambukiro kebwenerete anechikanisa kwegwa obosibore bwogo sasima namono nigo baboriria abantu kweneke buna ngweso kyabare na gusanga ibirengere byabo kobwatikana na mangana yedini imeyense ya Kenya.
In the next 6 months or 1 year, of all the culprits who held those positions, can we get the people who are responsible for security and we get to know what action has been taken against them? In fact, we are not only underrepresented, we feel that we have been humiliated because in the first list we are not even there. There was only one person. Out of the list of 15, there was only one person. It's as an afterthought that 2 were added.
Despite our very limited representation in that task force, only 3 members out of 17, we wish to take this opportunity to thank His Excellency the President for constituting the task force.
The Constitution gives the right to individuals to practice their faith the way they want. And you cannot control that. Once you try to control that, you are in breach of the Constitution. We don't want the religious leaders, the religious people, and the religious institutions to be seen as the scapegoat for this thing. So we cannot set up standards for that.
The Shakahola massacre should not be used as an excuse to frustrate the activities of institutions or any other religious community.
Umunyakerogo bwe kiama kia ODM John Mbadi nigo aganirie abaraikuru ase kiama kyo bali batabwatie meroberie miyahuno bwa matobuya negatia babwatani bande kurwa ase kiama kyo libagario kogenda mamincha ne meroberio naboigo amaganiye kiama kia ODM ekyaterera nigo kerabe ke goturubania obokoreri naboigo murembe ase kiama kyo okwanda chinga kyecho nigo boigo mugavana bwe county ya Siaya James Orengo nera mochirie egatia baraya bange kurwa ase kiama kia ODM anene kurwase orogongo rwa Nyanza askari bagotabuna abange babo nigo bakwebisa ase kiamekyo korende tibari tayare gobwatirana nababwatani bonsi be kiama kia ODM aso wekerania obokoreri bobwenerete.
If you are tired, if you feel that you cannot follow ODM policies, the best and honorable thing to do, and especially policy which dictates cost of living, ODM was formed for the downtrodden. We formed it for social democracy. We formed it to make life better to the people of Kenya. When ODM says that you should vote against a bill that is oppressive and is offensive and is going to make people suffer, and you refuse to do so, the most honorable thing you would do is to resign your seat, go back to the people and seek for fresh mandates.
Here in Nyanza, the greatest number of political hypocrites are now found in Nyanza. The greatest number of political hypocrites, I want to repeat, come from Nyanza. It is a big shame because we are known as a community, and next week we are unveiling the new care in Homa Bay. We are known as people who can take a stand and stand on principle.
Abarai bech kanisa na boigo abananchi konene kurwase orogongo rwa Nyanza nigo baboliwe ko base umustari mutwe asokorari omurembe nabayo kwene kiabuna siasa kitabwenereti cyabeire chikoera ase ensemiyo ayankorengana no muwaziri bwa mangana yobwererania no butumiki bwekerero Eliud Owalo oyobetaga kumirana negati abarai bech kanisa ase ensemo ya Asembo imeye county ya Siaya jinga kyaganire bono abarai bech kanisa kwene kibuna mbagenderete gusabira omorembe imeyense ya Kenya chinga kie chiniga tebire buna serikali ya Ruto chine chinga kie wente wikirania magendero ase abananchi na kubole abananchi bonsi kwene kia buna nguru abarogosira kwabo eri magendero wikiraniwa.
We are requesting the people of this region to create an enabling environment for the government to deliver on its mandate. Development can only thrive in an atmosphere of peace, not an atmosphere of perpetual noise, distraction. We want to change the paradigm in this region from politics of rhetoric to a tangible transformation, development-oriented agenda. We have done politics for 58 years, year in, year out. It cannot be the same. We cannot continue with business as usual. Deliberately and consciously, we must change the politics of this region. Let us move away from perpetual politics to a pursuit of a development agenda. And I can assure you without fear of contradiction that for the first time since independence, we have got a president who is truly keen on rolling out tangible development programs in Nyanza. And let us give him the support. Because he's the president of one country, we have got one government led by one president, and one Kenyan people.
Togotigana nayo nigo chibura buru na boyo kungusana na kwa beto koene kiwa buri tukure igoro ase umucho Mombasa ase chiabisi chiagose ABC ya maigerio nsemo ya GIT mi umucho yo GTI mi umucho yo jinga kibono ababwata ni kurwase kiama kia United Democratic Alliance UDA babete bagutwara omusangirikano kore no musangirikano yo tochitiko korekana neye magega yo muchumbe wensemo ya Nyali as Muhammad babete bako bachana chingwana no mubungo yala Asano Mark igekerete abanyanyimbo wekirana sayo na kotumeka amario kyogorusia mariga amaiso eriyo goseberekania abantu no moyega gosumusangirekano yo nigo yekerane twena barai au akorwase kiama kya UDA bakorawa no mo secretary general somurikyo munene bwe kyamekyo Kilofas Malala ase abetega kuikiriga korekyo na kugania abaraya baberego chamo na wekera okoiwana awokoreta omorembe ekero yarokane na baraya babere babeire bakora twara owetana egati yabo kubwatikana no burai ase kiama kya UDA.
Tunaenda kuchukulia hatua wale watu ambao wanajaribu kuleta fujo katika chama, kwa sababu chama chetu cha UDA ni chama cha amani, ni chama cha demokrasia. So tunaenda kuleta kuhakikisha kwamba tumechunguza mambo haya, na vile vile pia tunaenda kuchunguza ni nani yule alibeba tear gas akarusha ndani ya hall ambaye ilikuwa ina amani.
Anataka sana mtu fulani afanywe mwenyekiti bila ya election. Sisi twasema kutakuwa na election na kila mtu ako na hiari na uhuru wa kusimamia election, awe ametoka pembe yoyote ya Kenya, anaitwa jina lolote, awe ni kabila yoyote, awe ni rangi yoyote.
Mombasa belongs to the good people of Mombasa. Whether he is a vice chair of UDA he should not use his position to intimidate UDA followers in Mombasa. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka kumwambia Hassan Sarai, mwanzo wa ngoma ni lele, na umetangaza vita, tutaendelea na hii vita mpaka tumalize. Tunasema kama chama tunahimiza demokrasia, tunasema kila mtu wa campaign na kila mtu alete members wake katika chama, lakini tuwe na hali ya utulivu.
Mwanchi omurigereria gunongo ikera omwerio wa Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchera ere yobwenge korene na mange ngenderete gokwariganiria yorach konyora asenchera yobwenge na inde ekero chirarage Chinsa 10 endera kubwate mirobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo Gusii ekero ngokunyora na sensemo ya Facebook ni oragendera otonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asumutandao Twitter na bogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News ero togendera gusanga na boigo kwemanya amange eretariane Everlyne Osero kero twagwatirana nere Joshua Uta kwenekia bunachibicha nerio gicha wikeire asenchera yabene gukuganiria burigererwa rubya semiro berionsi na boigo mubasoro moterero.